Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to block someone on Zalo. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To block someone on Zalo, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up the Zalo app. Then once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account as well. And once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the message tab in the bottom left corner of the screen. Then once you're inside, all you gotta do is go to the chat with the person you want to block. Then once you select the contact on the top right corner of the screen, you'll be getting the three-dot menu. Simply tap on that, and among the options you'll be getting a block message option or block. Simply tap on that, and then all you gotta do is follow the on-screen process to simply block the person. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.